The US government has introduced a new immigration policy that mandates the screening of social media activities for migrants applying for permanent residency, student visas, and affiliation with academic institutions. The Department of Homeland Security says the move targets individuals supporting groups like Hamas, Hezbollah, Palestinian Islamic Jihad, and Yemen's Houthis, which are labeled anti-Semitic terrorist organizations. According to DHS, any support, even online, for these groups could result in visa denial, deportation, or green card rejection. This policy, effective immediately, follows executive orders issued by President Donald Trump aimed at combating antisemitism and limiting campus activism that supports Palestine. Critics, including rights groups and legal advocates, say the policy violates the First Amendment, criminalizes political expression, and unfairly targets Muslims and Arab students. The move comes amid growing security of pro-Palestinian student protests and academic activism across US campuses. DHS officials defend the policy as necessary for national security and say those promoting hate or violence are not welcome in the United States.